In this short video, we're going to run you through how to install MissionKontrol. First thing you'll need is a Linux machine. We're running Ubuntu here, but it works with quite a lot of different distributions. There's a list on the documentation. Copy and paste the commands from just after the registration page, and that'll install the MissionKontrol Docker image and get it running. It takes a few minutes usually to do this. We've sped it up in this video. Once you've got the Docker image up and running, or once it says it's running, just copy and paste the IP address of the machine and put it into the browser. Once you've got it up and running, paste in a license key and some admin login credentials, and then you're ready to connect to your first database. MissionKontrol has its own database that it uses to store settings, and when you connect to your applications database, it will pull the schema and set everything up for you. It's worth mentioning that it won't write anything to your database unless you update a field and have set permissions for that. Once you've connected a database, you probably want to add some users to MissionKontrol so they can log in and view and edit data. You can set different roles, and then within each of the roles you can set different groups of abilities in terms of what that role can do. Once you've done that, you might go and set some permissions, so you can set and assign each role different permissions for each of the different tables. So you might just want to assign view for everyone to start with and just full edit for the admins. Once you've done that, you can either add more databases or head to the CRUD tables. If you check out the next video, you'll be able to see a demo of that.